Hey everyone, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. Yeah. In last video, we have seen that all operator and in operators, right? So in this video, we are going to restrict to that any operator. See, I will explain in this video the difference between all and any also. There is a slight difference, a small difference only. With an example, I will clear that confusion. Okay. See, I'm having three different departments that 10, 20, 30. Three different departments are there. So in each department, some salaries, some employees are there. So everybody knows number. So here, the thing any means, I will explain the syntax. Any operator whenever you are using inner query having department 30. Okay. So any one value matching with a salary condition, then it will be consider that value has a conditional statement valid. Right? So this conditional statement will be validated with any of the value matching with this salary greater than this condition. Then it will be considered. Right now, here my requirement what? Retrieve employees who earns more than any. Earlier what? All employees. Okay. So earlier what we have seen? All employees. Whoever know that more than 30 department, you are earning more from other department. Here any employee in the department 30. Okay. Along with department 30 also will come in. Okay. So any means anyone has to be matched with this condition. Keep in mind, that's it. Okay. So here if I'm executing this, what can 10, 20 different departments in that 5,000, 3,000, 2,800. Okay. Here department 30 having what on the data is there. So 50 and 1250, okay, 950 is the lower data. So that here 950 not came. See. Why? Because here salary is greater than in. Right. So here whenever you are returning this data, here 950 also will come. But 950 data not there in any, means all other departments. So whatever the 20 department will go. So see here 800 means condition for that. So 950 it's not greater than. So that the data will not come here. No. So anywhere 800 is there. Lower left. Same rate. So more than the greater than the any one matching. Okay. It's matching. That's it. So any one entry matching in that list, then it will be show that with the other departments. See 2,700, 11,000, 3,000. So these are more than 30, right? So it's matching. So 950 is lesser than any other. Right now 950 not came. So leftover things and then came. See. So like this, any one data, any of the data from that list, from that query matching, then it should be acceptable. That's what the condition is. So in that scenario only, we have to be use this any operator. Okay. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Yeah, have a nice day. Please subscribe, comment, and share the video. Please help me to get the subscribers. Thanks. Bye.